Miskin's pull-type water wagons bring affordability and reliability to your water equipment. Off-road water trucks are typically made from old self-propelled scrapers or old worn-out articulated dump trucks. Often these pieces of equipment are resurrected from scrap yards. They were put into the scrap yard because the equipment barely ran. When it's taken out and made into a water truck, it doesn't do much better. I've been on to job sites where $15 million worth of equipment has been shut down because a 25-year-old water truck broke down. The Miskin WaterWagon is made to work with just about any tractor, including the tractor you use to pull scrapers. The water pumps are driven hydraulically, using the tractor's existing hydraulic system. The Watermark brand spray valves come from Magnum, Australia. Magnum, Australia is the leading tank manufacturer in their country. Magnum, Australia provided the design expertise for the Miskin tank. In a unique partnership, we use Magnum, Australia's Watermark ancillary products on our tank. The standard water tank is set up for dust suppression. It uses special spray heads that optimize the water and spread it out over a long area. The spray heads are fully adjustable, both in the width for the coverage area and in the height of the spray opening. There's one rear spray head on each rear corner of the water wagon, providing a wide coverage area of up to 75 feet. The position of the spray heads is fully adjustable. They can be set flat for horizontal spray, or turned vertical, or anywhere in between. Camlock fittings control the position, and there's no tools required to adjust them. When you're ready to put serious water down, bolt on the additional pump and the optional center spray head. Front corner sprays are also available. These can be set flat or vertical. All the options for the Miskin WaterWagon are UPS shippable and easy to install. The low-profile tank design provides good stability when working on side hills. The WaterWagon uses the same 360-degree hitch that's used on Miskin scrapers. This hitch will allow the WaterWagon to roll over without danger of tipping the tractor. This helps keep the operator safe while giving the WaterWagon the ability to travel over rough terrain. The tank is constructed of high-strength Cor-ten material, which gives it its corrosion-resistant properties. Sophisticated baffling inside controls water movement in the tank. A smooth ride, even on rough terrain, is made possible by the heavy-duty walking beam suspension. The tank is attached to the frame using spring tension bolts. The tank rests on high-density polyurethane runners on top of the frame rails. This allows for slight flexing and movement between the tank and the undercarriage. The WaterWagon can travel over rough terrain without damage or undue wear. The WaterWagon's large tires provide good flotation in muddy conditions. The hydrant fill setup allows you to fill the WaterWagon from a fire hydrant. The hydrant fill pipe slips down to keep the overall height under 9 feet high for shipping. The hose reel is handy for washing down equipment. There's a ladder for easy access to the top of the tank. The dribble bar hangs from chains and can be adjusted to any height desired. Because it swings from chains, it won't be damaged if it's placed too low to the ground and an obstruction is hit. The dribble bar can be pressurized or gravity flow as shown here. The Watermark water cannon is the world's best, another product from Magnum, Australia. It features a remote radio control. There is no special install in the tractor cab for the water cannon controls. The remote control can be operated from inside the tractor cab or standing outside on the ground. The radio controlled joystick can move the cannon in 2 axes at the same time. The cannon rotates 360 degrees. It features large bearing surfaces for long life. Lubrication comes from compressed grease cans that only need to be changed once every year. There's a fan spray adjustment available for the water cannon. There's also a foam injection option for fire control. Suction fill ability for self-loading is standard on every water wagon. There's a water storage chamber inside the tank for priming the suction line. The water wagons have hydraulic service brakes and spring-applied, hydraulically held off parking brake. And don't forget the hydraulic jack. Utilize your tractor and scraper even more by using the drop-in water tank. I've been on to job sites where $15 million worth of equipment has been shut down because a 25-year-old water truck broke down. The drop-in water tank is a very low-cost way to ensure that you'll have reliable water on your job anytime you need it. The water pumps are driven hydraulically using the tractor's existing hydraulic system. All those tires across the back do an excellent job of proof rolling. With the water tank installed, you can still use the scraper blade to do light grading and haul road maintenance.